Today, I'm going to be talking about Favepay. This is a relatively new app that has been gaining a lot of attention lately, and I wanted to take some time to share my thoughts on it. Before I get into the details, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to pay for something but didn't have cash or your card on you? If so, then Favepay might be a good option for you. Favepay is a mobile payment app that allows you to make payments using your smartphone. You can use it to pay for things like food, groceries, transportation, and even bills. Favepay is available in several countries, including Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Pros of Favepay. Easy to use. Favepay is very easy to set up and use. Once you have downloaded the app, you simply need to create an account and add your bank card. You can then use the app to make payments by scanning QR codes or using the app's virtual wallet. Wide range of acceptance. Favepay is accepted at a wide range of merchants, including restaurants, cafes, grocery stores, and gas stations. Rewards. Favepay offers a number of rewards programs that can help you save money on your purchases. Security. Favepay is a very secure platform. All of your transactions are encrypted and protected with multiple layers of security. Affordable. Favepay is a very affordable option for making payments. There are no fees for using the app, and you can even get cashback on some of your purchases. Cons of Favepay. Limited availability. Favepay is not yet available in all countries. Not as widely accepted as some other payment methods. While Favepay is accepted at a wide range of merchants, it is not as widely accepted as some other payment methods, such as credit cards or debit cards. Can be buggy. Some users have reported that the app can be buggy and crash from time to time. Overall, I think that Favepay is a good option for making payments. It is easy to use, secure, and affordable. However, it is important to note that Favepay is not yet available in all countries and that it is not as widely accepted as some other payment methods. With that said, thanks for watching.